Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're old, welcome back to the channel. As you can tell by the title, we are going to be doing a smoky grungy eye look today. If you want to see the finished results, just keep on watching. All the products that I'll be using will be listed down below in the description box. So yeah, you know, before we get into this video, make sure you push that like button, comment down below, and subscribe. But without further ado, let's get right on into the video. So before I prep my skin, I go in with the BFF Best Friends, a hydrating brightening primer. This stuff smells good and then it has a glowy effect, as you can tell. I love it. I'm just gonna be using this today because my other primer does the same, so I'm not gonna be doing that. Then I go in with my Wet n Wild translucent powder. As y'all know, I like my Wet n Wild translucent powder. And I just put it on my eyes like this. I don't like none of that slippery stuff, so that's why I put that on my eye. I'm just gonna be taking my eyebrow pencil and doing this. My eyebrows is already done. And I just go in with my eyebrow pencil and, you know, trace the eyebrow. Then take my Fit Me concealer, my flat brush. Take my concealer brush. Like that. Then I'm going in with my Juvia's Place foundation. It's gonna be taking a damp sponge. So I'm taking my e.l.f. concealer in this color right here. I do this like if I want a bright under eye. And I go on with my ColourPop concealer on top of this concealer. Just let it sit for a couple of minutes so you know it can get a full coverage. Going in with this beauty blender, it's damp. I'm going in with my Wet n Wild translucent powder. Just Press that in. Then I take my e.l.f. and then I go in with this shade right here. Like so. My little brush, dip it in there, like so. Then I take this brush. So I take this fluffy brush, go in with my Wet n Wild palette. Then I'm gonna take this color right here. So I'm going in with my Black Radiance True Contour palette. Then I'm going in with these two colors. As y'all can see, these are, you know, gone. So I just take both of them. Then I take my Dewy Coconut e.l.f. spray. I'm taking my iMagic palette and I'm going in the color Proud, and that's the color Black. So I'm going in with my NYX white eyeliner pencil. And I'm just going to be doing my underline. Going in with my NYX Born to Glow, and this is my highlighter. I'm going to be using this color right here. Just going to be spraying my face. I just like that glow that this gives. Just has a glow. So I'm going in with my hard candy. It's called Guilty Pleasure. And then I'm going to be taking this glittery white, put it in my inner corners. Just like that. Already put on my eyelashes. So one more step we got to do is put on lips and then put some mascara. So it's a grunge look. So what I did next was go in with my nude Wet n Wild lipstick, and it looks like this. It says nude, but it don't look nude. Then I went in with my Hard Candy, and this is the Plumping Serum Lip Gloss. Then I went in with my brown lip liner, and I just paired the two. That's how I got this combo right here. It's so cute, y'all. But we are all finished with this look. Make sure y'all like this video, comment down below, and subscribe. And yeah, y'all, this was a cute look. So I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.